Hi guys, welcome to my channel DI Tech Creator. Today in this video I am going to show how to convert this Windows 10 PC into the Android system. So let's watch the full video. You can see this is a desktop PC Windows 10. You can see this is the Windows 10 PC. So this Windows 10 PC I will convert to the Android operating system. So let's see, this is the 64-bit operating system Windows 10. So let's watch the how to convert. I am just restarting. You can see Phoenix operating system. This is a 64-bit operating system. Android is restarting. You can see now this is the Android operating system. You can see status. Legal is a model system product line. Phoenix operating system Android version. You can see kernel. Build number also available. You can see this is the Android operating system. So thank you friends for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit on the bell icon for notification.